Okay, so you got the right idea, because, you know, what I saw is you got x plus 1 over x plus 1, right? And that's times 5 over x plus 1. Then it's plus the quantity x plus 1 times 3, okay? Equals, not plus, equals quantity x plus 1 multiplied by 7 multiplied by x minus 2. Okay? Now you got to be pretty careful. Now you saw, put a couple of dots here, but this does end up as 5. Okay? And it's not x plus 1 over x plus 1. I'm not doing a common denominator. Write things down without thinking. So kind of forget what you just saw. It's just x plus 1 over 1, right? And that becomes just 5. Now, what's x plus 1 multiplied by 3?
3x
By the distributive law, that's x times 3 plus 1 times 3, and I think you forgot the 1 times 3. Because you have to understand, when you multiply something in parentheses, you have to use the distributive law, and you have to write that out. Okay? Make sure we're recording here. Not that I'm saying anything earth-shattering. Okay? Now over here, you wanted to multiply the 7 by the x plus 1, and you did the same thing. You multiplied the 7 by the x, but not by the 1, okay?
Okay.
Now, I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to rearrange it. And it wouldn't hurt if you just had the 7 there and kept the parentheses around it, okay? But I want to write this as 7 multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 2. Because what I really want to focus on is multiplying these binomials. Okay, so what we have on the left then is, of course, 3x plus 8. Okay? On the right, what do we have? Well, can you multiply these out using the distributive law?